Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. And in this PySpark video series, today we will learn how to rename a column in a PySpark data frame. Okay. So let's go to our workspace. Okay. So I have already created our notebook. Okay. I have already renamed and cluster is also attached. So yesterday, in our last video, what we have learned, we have learned how to add new columns in your data frame. Okay, so if using the with column method. Okay, using the with column method. So if you haven't watched my video, please go to the playlist and watch all the videos. The videos are one in sequence. Okay, so let's start today's video. So So, already I have created my data. Okay, I have already written the code for saving the time. Okay, let's run it. So this is our data. Okay, see the schema: ID integer, name string, rows integer, as I have mentioned here already. Okay, okay. If I will not mention the uh, data type in the schema, it will take the default schema. Okay, so that's why I have already mentioned here. Okay, so already this thing I have mentioned in my earlier video. If you are not understanding, please go and watch my earlier video. You will get to understand why I am mentioning here the data type. Okay, so let's go forward for our today's agenda. So what we need to do now, we need to change our column name. So for changing the column name, we have one function with column rename. So first we will check the methodology of this function using the help function. Let's see. As I have already told you earlier also, if you are a beginner, first check the function using the help function. Okay, the function methodology. Okay, so this is the with function with column rename function. Okay, you can use it like this. Okay, if there is a each column, you can rename it like. Okay, I'll show you that there are multiple methods. Okay, I'll show you in the hand one. So this is the conduct. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, so I'm taking df1 equals to df dot with column rename. Okay, with column rename id equals to, so what kind of data we have? id will change it to id new. So let's write it id new. Okay, so your old name will be in first, and after that you need to mention your new name in the bracket. Okay, so as a argument you need to pass these two. Okay, you can already see here existing one and the new one. They have already told you. Okay, so if I want to print it, okay, now this one. Okay, You can see the column name changed. Okay. If I want to change all the columns name, then what I need to do? You just need to copy paste and change them. Whatever name you want to give, just mention it. It will change for the whole data set column. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. So if I there is a this is the one method. Okay. If I want to change another method, there is another method you can use. First, communicate. Now we'll try another method. Okay. So we'll take it here. DF2. So for DF2, we'll select. We'll use here. There is a function. Select expr. Select expression. Okay. This function we'll use here. Okay. So expr. Okay. So before using it, just use the help function to know about the function. You may not go to that. You can pass any kind of list and first expression it will be a string. Okay. So you can use it like this. Okay. So I'll show you. You are not understanding. So first, you need to mention here the new name also in the single inverted comma, a double inverted comma or single inverted anything. Okay. Okay. If you want to do for all the columns, then just uh, after that use comma and mention it one by one. Okay. So name will be name as new name. Okay. So let's change the data frame name variable name. So output will be same. You will see same of equal in here create display display. You can see the earlier output and the new earlier data frame, whatever in which data frame we have inserted the data, and this is the new data frame. The column name has changed. Okay. So there is another method using which we can change the last one. I'm showing you. You can use here select function, select call, and also you need to use call function for mentioning the column. Okay, identifying indicating the column. So id dot alias Okay, ID. Okay, you want to change it here. Before that, just you need to uh, import the call function. um, Park dot SQL import call. Okay, what is the issue? Let me change. Sorry, this will be PySpark. Okay, now what is the error? What it is showing? Okay, you need to select the so here which data frame you want to select that that will not be specified. That will be a mistake. Now I see I do. If you want to do it for the all column and you want to select it, then just use comma and after that use all the column. Run it. You can see all the data frame column name change. This is our earlier data frame and this is our new data frame. Okay. So these are the method that we can use for changing the column name. Okay. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please do like and share with your friend. Okay, and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for the notification, because I am uploading the Spark videos continuously. You will get the notification for that if you press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. Okay, let's see in our upcoming videos. Okay, bye.